We did just close below this 15-minute fair value gap. We could just continue down here, but what I would like to see is us to push up, take out the lunch highs, and then continue down. NQ took out lunch high, and it doesn't seem like we're moving beyond this midpoint or New York midnight. So we may be a lot more bearish. We finally took out lunch lows. Haven't gotten in here yet, but we're taking out this high inside this fair value gap on the 1 minute. There's also this bearish fair value gap that I'm looking at on ES. So I'm looking for a shift downwards to target today's lows basically, because we essentially left these lows just by a little bit here. Okay, so I put an entry on this bottom of the bearish fair value gap. It also is sort of consequent encroachment on this wick, and then I'm looking to target down here, but I do want to scale in and scale out. If I see confirmation, then I'll add on another contract. So we're tapping into these up close candles as well as this volume imbalance, and we left these relative equal lows. Okay, so I got in here. Don't really like how we're coming up here and that NQ is holding. On the larger time frame, price is still respecting these up close candles to hold it down. I will just stay in to see if we dig a little bit deeper into these up close candles. Okay, so I just moved my stop down to those up close candles because I didn't like this. So I want to just lock in some profits. If I was looking to rejoin, and if I got stopped out, I'd re-enter maybe here, possibly. Sort of the middle of these up close candles, and there's a fair value gap as well as where it broke structure from. Okay, and I just got stopped out there. Right now you see we literally left equal lows, like exact. All right, so we left another equal low literally to the tick. So I'm actually really interested. We only have 30 minutes left in the session, but I may just take a stab at this one here. Okay, we just tapped in there. I'm just gonna do one. So I want us to break this fair value gap because that's the one that broke the structure. So I don't like that we're holding it. Okay, so we're pushing down here. I just moved my stop down a tick above the body of this candle. These have been holding on price, so I'll leave that there and then see how far we can go. This is my target, so I put it down there, but I will be looking at 10 points and then right below here too. This is where we've just been tapping. Okay, so we're down at that low. It's because we only have 10 minutes left. I'm just trailing my stop here. Okay, so we just tapped again right on those exact lows. We keep tapping right there. Okay, we're coming down now. Just put it on these lows here. Just put it back on those lows because we kept tapping those, but I left this here. It's 10 minutes left. All right, so I locked in the 10 points. Pretty nice trade to end the day. This is actually a great example of taking profit and then re-entering. Because I was in this trade, it retraced on me, so I could have taken 5 points here, but I didn't, so I took 5 points here. And instead of feeling FOMO, you know, I found a re-entry up here, waited patiently, and then I was able to get another 10 points, you know. I'm glad that I'm learning to take profits, scale in, scale out, etc. So yeah, happy with the day, and I'm gonna let this trade close out, but I'll see you guys tomorrow.